You chose love, so you won, or that's why you will win. They chose hate, and that's why they lost, or they will lose. If you are involved in this situation right now, Spirit is urging you, do not involve in their underhanded ways. Protect yourself by all means. Cleanses, prayers, whatever ritual you feel is best. But don't stoop to their level. Use the energy that they project at you to pour into yourself. Your growth, your emotional well-being, your projects, things that make you feel good, things that make you happy. Pour into your self-love. Something that this person lacks. They tried very hard to isolate you, separate you from a group, your person, a person, that they forced their energy into your dynamic with another person. They were a third party, knowingly. But their toxicity will come to an end. They're still trying to cling on, not knowing that their time is up. They need to release the situation, they need to let go, but they don't want to. So whilst you expand in the world, whilst you gain all your good karma and your many blessings, they're going to be clinging on to not having to face a heartbreak that is very likely. They didn't want this for you. 10 of Cups. They were very determined to make sure that you don't marry someone, because in their view, you're going to gain the blessings that maybe they want, or maybe they feel like you don't deserve. But you're going to get this 10 of Cups. You're going to birth something. Maybe a business if you don't want children, or if you don't want any more children, or maybe a child. This is what this person felt and foresaw. What they don't understand is you are very abundant. You don't need to align with another person to create your abundance. You are walking abundance. By you connecting with this person or this business partner or this romantic partner, it's just an energetic match. But this person felt like you didn't deserve it. They wanted you to fall from grace. They wanted you to have no love in your life. They didn't want anyone to invest in you. So the tables will turn. Because they chose this path, because it is a choice. They chose to invest in tearing you down, blocking love from you, like they have a say-so in your life. They were very determined. They refused to back down. They tried to block your blessings like their life depended on it. Fearful that you're going to get the 10 of Pentacles. Determined to isolate you. Wanting you to feel ostracized, left out. There must be a deep pain that this person's carrying for them to treat you this way. They hate themselves, but they try to wear a mask. They try to hide the fact that they're not ill-mannered, but their energy seeps through for all eyes to see, for many to start rejecting. You see, their energy is going to start repelling people, because what they try to conceal, their mean-spirited ways, how they act towards you, their jealousy towards you that they try to hide. Oh, people know. People will start finding out. And people will include you. Those same people they wanted to isolate you will start isolating them. Those same people they wanted to reject you will start ignoring them. They will see how it feels, because they put it out there into the universe but your vibration keeps rising. So this energy must return back to some sender, right? They will hear or find out that you have gained the very blessing that they despise, that they do not want you to receive. Your own abundance, your own success. Creating your own legacy, possibly with a person that they fought tooth and nail for you to stay away from.